Ever wonder what it takes to truly break an animated film into the mainstream? For years, studios have chased that elusive formula, often falling short adventures. But a shift is happening, driven by a surprising force. R-rated anime movies. These aren't your typical family-friendly adventures. The recent success of films like and has sent shockwaves through the industry, and these dark, action-packed stories are resonating with audiences worldwide, proving that there's a massive appetite for mature anime content. Has grossed over $674 million, becoming the highest grossing Japanese movie of all time. Uh, uh, while still behind, has earned $139 million, securing its place among the top grossing Japanese films. It's clear that these aren't just hits, they are redefining what's possible for anime in the international market. Looking at the box office rankings, it's striking how many of the top performing Japanese films are either Studio Ghibli productions or tied to established franchises like in The Exceptions, uh, films like, and notably, a dark battle shonen that almost earned an R rating itself. What success isn't accidental. Um, these films tap into a global audience in a way few animated features ever have. Uh, Minute offers accessible, thrilling storytelling, while delivers a more complex philosophical experience. Both boast stunning animation and surprisingly modest budgets, with costing only $4 million to produce. The future of it already mapped out with being the first of a planned trilogy uh, is, but holds even greater potential. Directly adapts the manga storyline, and future seasons will likely cover the international assassins and Gun Devil arcs. However, the real opportunity lies in adapting the Control Devil arc into a standalone movie. This arc is the culmination of everything that came before, a shocking, depressing, and utterly captivating conclusion to Denji and Makima's stories. Um, it's a perfect fit for the stunning animation style established in a landscape where original IPs struggle. R-rated anime films are blazing a trail. They're bold, creative, visually groundbreaking, and unafraid to take risks. They're proving that adult animation can thrive in theaters and anime can truly go mainstream. But and then speaking of risks, did you hear about the animator who only drew chainsaws? He had a really cutting edge style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.